In this video, I'd like to give you a brief tutorial walkthrough of the Google Chrome extension Screencastify. Screencastify is a screen capturing tool, so it's going to record both the audio and video on your computer when you use it. So the first thing you have to do, if you have not already, is to go to the Google Chrome web store and search for Screencastify. It's all one word, and you'll want to add this extension to Chrome. Once you do so and give it the permissions that it requires, you will see on your extension bar is a film strip type icon. That's the Screencastify icon. When you click on that the first time, you will have to set it up, and one of the setup procedures is to choose whether you'll save your files locally to your machine or to Google Drive. Just because of the mobile platforms that we have and the fact that we're always on the move, I prefer to save my files to Google Drive so I don't have to worry about having the same machine all the time. But once that setup is complete, you can select to record just the tab that you're looking at within your browser, the entire desktop, or from your webcam. You can also select which microphone you want to record from. If you want to embed your webcam, so if you wanted to show your face along with, or whatever the camera was looking at, along with your recording, and you can select a preview window just to see what it's going to look like as you're recording. Please note that the preview window will not show up in your final recordings. Once you're all set, you can click on Record, which brings up kind of another fail-safe. You can select to record your entire screen or a specific application window, whichever works best for you. I'm going to record my entire screen in this case. When I click Share, you'll hear it gives us a 3, 2, 1 countdown.
3, 2, 1.
That's just to let us know that it's starting to record. And you'll notice at the bottom of the screen is a little window that says Screencastify is sharing your screen. That small window will not appear in your final recording. So to stop recording, we can simply click Stop Sharing, and that'll open up a new tab with our video, so I can go back and watch it, see how it works. From this tab, I can see it saved to Google Drive. I can download the file to this particular computer if that's what I want to do. I can click on the Share, which will allow me to export this over to YouTube if I wanted to share this with a greater audience. You can copy and trim, but that might be a paid version of Screencastify, and you can just straight up delete the file. So pretty much a straightforward process here. Now, I just want to take a second to talk about some of the limitations with the free version of Screencastify. The first is you will notice that,
just to let us know.
Wow, that's loud. There's a watermark that appears in the upper left-hand corner of the screen. Not a big deal, but it's there. Second, you can record a maximum length of 10 minutes with Screencastify Lite, but that really shouldn't be too much of a problem because hopefully your target length for the videos is significantly shorter than 10 minutes. The other requirement, or limitation rather, is you can only record 50 videos per month with the free version. But I think you can definitely work around that by, once you have a video, sharing it to YouTube and then deleting the file from Screencastify. If you set up Screencastify to save to Google Drive, you'll notice in Google Drive, it creates a folder called Screencastify that houses all of your recordings. You can also delete them from here to save space. But there you go. That's the Screencastify Google Chrome extension. And as always, if you have any questions on this, please feel free to reach out to me.